Hey, welcome. I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie.
Our channel's called
The Art of RVing.
Absolutely. You're going to want to stick around because I'm driving, so I might not pay close attention. But
please don't. Oh yeah, and this is Oscar.
And this is Oscar. Hey, you're going to want to stick around because our channel, we're going to have a lot of really fun stuff. I'm going to do a rig rundown, which is basically running through a bunch of campers and kind of going through and meeting those people who own those campers. So that's going to be fun.
Unique. Usually we try to pick a really unique camper that you don't see every day.
Absolutely.
We like to interview fellow RVers.
That's fun.
And that's very interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting.
People come from all over. It's interesting.
And why they buy their RVs and why you should buy your RV. And yeah, that's it. That is interesting.
Lots of DIYs.
Oh, do-it-yourselfer.
And lots of tips. You're going to learn a lot.
How long have we been RVing?
20 years.
20 years.
Over 20 years.
Yeah, so learn from our mistakes. Yeah. We've made a few. Yeah. And I know a lot of you RVers are quite the photogs. And by the way, photo skills pay my bills. So I'm going to be putting some quick tips, real easy stuff. Even if you just have your iPhone, it'll improve your skill. You're going to like it. What we started out with, like a tent. A tent.
We had a tent. A couple vans.
A couple vans.
Yeah.
Then we went to what?
Fifth wheel.
A fifth wheel. A 1995 Jayco. Weighed a ton.
No, it was a Prowler.
Oh, Prowler. A Prowler. Look at the intro and you'll see a picture of it.
Yeah,
but
it was great.
We loved it. Yeah.
Lots of memories.
Lots of memories.
Then we had a 17-foot Jayco.
17, yeah.
Travel trailer, and now we have a 22-foot.
That we're pulling.
Jayco travel trailer.
Right now.
Yes. Headed to State Park.
You're going to love our channel. So we want you to subscribe and smash that like button.
Become part of our YouTube family. We'd love it.
Yeah, because we want to get to know you.
I'm a photographer.
Photo bills pay my skills.
Opposite. Photo skills pay our bills.
Right.
Yeah. We started out with a van when we first got married. I think it was orange.
And she still married me.
Shocking.